this could still drop, guys. So keep that in mind with this penny stock. It could go really parabolic. You see the trend line is very upward, so the momentum will be there. It could be even reaching the $2 mark. Hey guys, it's January the 20th. It's a Wednesday today, and today we will be talking about Zomedica stock. We will be first taking a look at a quick overview of the company. We will be looking at the past stock performance and also the current situation and also the future catalyst for this stock and what they actually do. Let's talk about Zomedica. So Zomedica, with the ticker symbol ZOM, has a market cap of around $600 million, which is a small cap company. They are right now a pharmaceutical company founded in 2013. They are domiciled in Canada. Looking at the past stock performance, this stock is up over 480% in the past month alone, which is absolutely astronomical. That's huge. And in the past 3 months, this stock has had a upside of around 1200%, which is insane. That's just amazing for a pharmaceutical company which did this much growth and a small cap. This stock could be having really good upside coming into the next few months. So looking at the current situation, they currently have $90 million cash on hand, which should be enough to fund future operations till the end of 2023. They are expecting to have a positive cash flow in 2023. So keep that in mind, guys. If you plan to invest in this company, they currently have a negative cash flow, which means that they're basically losing money. So keep that in mind. I'm not a financial advisor, but they have negative cash flow, which could be a red flag for some of you guys. Looking at the future catalyst for this company, they will be having a commercial launch of their Truforma instrument, which will be 30 March. They will be having a very good catalyst, and they will be launching their Truforma instrument. It's basically a tabletop instrument that they use to take samples of animals, and they can make analysis on. So they are building their Truforma inventory since their sales efforts start to begin, which will be in the March period. And they are also building up their inventory to prepare for the sales when they start going live in March. So looking at this stock, guys, March is just 2 months ahead of us, and this will be a really good catalyst, in my opinion, for Zomedica. I am quickly going to overview what they do before I get into the stock price prediction, guys, because this channel is basically focusing on stock price predictions based on technical analysis, guys. So we will be looking at the current support levels and the current resistance levels and the current trend in which Zomedica is going, and we will be trying to do a stock price prediction based on the future events. Hey guys, this is the Zomedica candlestick chart. So today we will be looking at the current support, resistance, and the current trend line for Zomedica stock. So right now Zomedica is down 6.5% for today because they had a really good rally. Even yesterday they were up over 10%, all the way up to $1.24. And since then, they had a little bit of a sell-off, a little bit of a profit taking, basically. And they are currently sitting at a very solid support level of around $1. So keep in mind, guys, this is a very risky penny stock. It could go either way. But looking ahead of us, we have a really good catalyst in March. So in March, we know that they will be having earnings. And after that, they will be announcing their Truforma instrument to help veterinarians for their pet adoption. So right now, this stock is actually really hot because the humanization of pets has been a very big emerging trend lately. So because of the pandemic, people bought a lot more pets, such as cats and dogs, and people actually realized that it's not just a pet, it's actually more than a pet. It's a companion, like a human, by example. So people are actually spending a lot more money to take care of their dogs and their cats and their animals in general. So this is really bullish for Zomedica because this company basically helps veterinarians. This company basically helps veterinarians, and they actually help the animals in advance. So looking at like 2 weeks ago, this stock was only trading at 45 cents, and that's even up quite a lot because looking at the RSI, you can see that we are overbought on the RSI, and that means that we will be having a correction. The correction will be very possible because when a stock is overbought, chances are that it might go down back to the EMA. So this is the red line right here is the 50 moving average line, which shows the average price over a 50-day period. So right now we are very extended on the MACD. Also looking at this, we are having a very big bull run right here. I believe that this stock might have a correction because we are overbought right now, and that means that this stock might be up quite a lot based on hype, and that's something that we don't want actually, because when you look at the resistance, we actually have a resistance of around $1.48, and that was reached like on the 12th of January. So unless we break this resistance level at around the $1.48, we will be having a bearish channel, and we can see that by the current price movement. So if you guys take a look, let's clear all of this. You can see that we are currently having lower highs and lower lows. So you can see on the 12th of January, we had the all-time high of $1.48. After that, it dropped a little bit. It dropped even more, and today we are down again. This meaning we are currently in a bearish channel for the moment because we are having lower highs and lower lows. So our lows were also getting down, but we are healthy. We are still holding really well in the $1 range, but this could still drop, guys. So keep that in mind with this penny stock. It could go really parabolic. You see the trend line is very upward, so the momentum will be there. It could be even reaching the $2 mark in March, which could be very possible with the launch of their Truforma instrument, and also their earnings. If they are, they won't be really big because right now they aren't selling anything. And if you go zoom out a little bit, you can see that this price was $2.99, which is the main resistance. It is the biggest resistance that this stock has right now. It also has another resistance of around the $2.29. These prices are from back in 2018. So 3 years ago, this stock was sitting around the $2 mark. It then corrected, and it moved quite a lot in a bearish channel, and that means that it could be a good buy, but it still has a lot of resistance, guys. So keep that in mind. We have a resistance of $1.48. If it doesn't manage to pass that resistance, we might start going down again because of the bearish sentiment. But if we manage to break this resistance of $1.48, we could be rallying all the way up to $2, which will be the next resistance level. So keep that in mind. I'm not a financial advisor, but right now, we are in a bearish channel right now for today, but this can change any moment, guys. If they announce something new, if they come out with another catalyst other than the Truforma instrument, which will be all the way in March, the end of March, so that's still 2 to 3 months ahead of us. So keep that in mind when you plan to invest in this stock, but it could be having a very good return, but also a lot of risk. So keep that in mind. Do your own due diligence. And this was my Zomedica stock price prediction, guys. If you liked it, subscribe to my channel, leave a like down below, and I will see you next time. Peace out. So guys, this was my stock price prediction for Zomedica. I believe that if they can get a really solid launch on the 30th of March, this stock could be hitting the $2 mark very quickly, guys. And I'm not a financial advisor, but I think that this stock will have a good amount of momentum. It could be a great buy, and take a look at it. So this was my stock price prediction for Zomedica. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and leave a like down below, because we will be doing a lot more stock price predictions for Zomedica and all the other stocks. So make sure to sub to the channel and leave a like down below. I'll catch you next time, guys. Peace out.